Any word from him?
If I had news, you'd know. All I hear is he's commander of the Crimson Army.
The blue tree is gone. So is our bond. I can't call you friend anymore, Philip. My land needs me. And you, I exile you from my heart.
Ophelia, my people's hatred for yours was endless. I could never change them, so I conquered your land and ruled as a tyrant over both. Only then could Crimson and Emerald stand together, united by one enemy. Me. Even you. That was my burden, and my choice.